Is luck real, or is it just random chance? Today we'll uncover the science behind luck and how you can actually make your own. Psychologist Richard Wiseman studied luck for over 10 years, and his findings are fascinating. Most people think luck is pure chance, like spinning a wheel or rolling dice. But Wiseman discovered something more powerful: opportunity. Lucky people notice and act on opportunities that others miss. Luck isn't just random. It's a mix of chance and action. So why do some people seem naturally lucky? It comes down to psychology. Your mindset shapes how much luck you see. Optimists expect good things, so they try more and create more chances. Openness means noticing small opportunities others ignore. Confidence makes you act when others hesitate, and behind it all are biases: optimism bias, action bias, pattern recognition, and confirmation bias. Together, they make us feel like luck is real. But there's also real math behind luck. Probability shows us that even random events follow patterns. Flip a coin once and it feels random. Flip it 100 times and a clear pattern emerges. Randomness creates order, and probability reveals hidden structure. The more chances you take, the more likely you are to get lucky. So how does this apply in real life? The more job applications you send, the higher your odds of landing the interview. The more times an athlete trains, the more chances they have to succeed. Entrepreneurs fail and learn repeatedly until opportunity meets preparation. Persistence turns probability into results. Luck rewards action. So here's the takeaway. Luck isn't magic. It's preparation, mindset, and action meeting opportunity. The question isn't, do you feel lucky? It's, are you ready to make your own luck?